Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. This is going to be another versus video. I've done I think about 3 versus videos so far. Usually what happens is a token comes out and then a 2.0 token comes out shortly after, and I'll do a versus video on the info on this one versus the info on this one. And then, or there'll be like a token come out with the exact same name at the exact same time. And that's what this video is all about here. 2 XDOGE tokens came out today on different listing sites. Both did very well. I think there's even more XDOGE tokens out there. There's probably like 10 of them. But these are the 2 ones that did well anyways. So we're going to go over XDOGE versus XDOGE. Now the big difference is, here, they're both called XDOGE, but one has a ticker symbol XDOGE, and the other one has a ticker symbol of XD. And then one just finished their pink sale pre-sale and had a very successful pre-sale, and the other one just got listed on CoinMarketCap. They both have different web pages, different socials, different everything, and they're both on the Ethereum blockchain. So it's a good idea to do these versus videos so you guys don't get confused about like which XDOGE are people referring to. You'll see that there is a couple, and they both have different contract addresses. So we're going to go over a little bit of info on both of these tokens in just one second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So let's start with the one that just got listed on CoinMarketCap. This token is also in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap. It's been in there all day. I mean, it could be gone out of there by the time I upload this video because crypto's crazy volatile. But right now, it's currently up 462%. I saw earlier, I think it was around 600% in the green. So this one, name of the token XDOGE, ticker symbol XD. Their official webpage is xdogecoin.net. Like I said, right now they're almost up 500%. On the Ethereum blockchain here, their Twitter is at xdogecoin_ETH. And their Telegram is at xdogecoin_ETH. Now this one has a fully diluted market cap of $1.4 million and a market cap of around $1.4 million as well. Circulating supply of this token is 420,690 billion tokens. 24-hour trading volume is $1.8 million. Lots of bullish comments, of course, because this token's going crazy. All these tokens are named X something within the last couple days because of obviously Twitter changing their name to X, X.com, the X, the Everything app, etc. So if you go to their webpage, it says, about XDOGE, Elon Musk is forming X Holdings, which is likely to consist of Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and the Boring Company in a bid to consolidate all the individual companies' strengths. He is also rebranding Twitter itself into X. XDOGE was birthed due to Elon adding XD to his bio. We predict it has a huge correlation with Doge itself and hence helps grow XDOGE itself. Now we can see, I'm going to make a little short about this, within the next few days. But I mean, everything is kind of correlated because just today, Doge went up like 10%. I just checked and it was up 10%. And there was a whole bunch of other things. Elon Musk became the richest man. I mean, I don't want to go over all of it all at once, but I'll talk about it later. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, so on this token, the XD token here, there is a buy and sell tax of 1%. So if you are going to get this token off of UNISWAP, by the way, both of these tokens are available on UNISWAP. That's where you can get the Ethereum tokens. The other one's done their pre-sale, and this one's already on UNISWAP and on CoinMarketCap. This one has a buy and sell tax of 1%. You can find the contract address right on their page, XDOGEcoin.net. And so you'll have to set your slippage around 1%. Total supply, which is strange here. Now it says total supply is 100 million tokens. But if you go to their, already sketchy in my opinion. If you go to self-reported circulating supply on CoinMarketCap, it says 420,690,000,000,000 tokens. So how could it be that? And then on their webpage it says 100 million tokens. So it shows you how to buy. It says join community, has a link to their Telegram and Twitter. So contact email as well. Now, on the one, xdogecoin.net, I don't see a full audit. I don't see a KYC. I don't see any sort of security. Nothing like that. Kind of sketchy. So it says all tokens were added to Uniswap V2 liquidity pool and sent to the burn address since no one has access to the LP. So that's what they do claim on CoinMarketCap. So just be aware that they are claiming that, but you know there is no full audit for me to verify that as of this moment. I'm sure there is a way to verify it if I go in depth into looking at the contract and everything like that, but you can do that, and yes, so do your own research on that, but I don't see a full audit. Now, the one that just finished their pre-sale, let's go to the other token. Ticker symbol XDOGE, name of the token XDOGE. They just finished their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. It was done in Ethereum. It was a public pre-sale. Almost 300 total investors. They set their soft cap at 1 ETH and almost sold 29 ETH worth of tokens. Very successful pre-sale. It says total supply of this token is 420 trillion tokens. This one is going to Uniswap. Liquidity is only locked for 3 months on Uniswap, so be aware of that. Token metric pie chart, 66.6% of the tokens pre-sale, 32.3% liquidity, and only 1% of the tokens are unlocked. Now there's a full audit for this token, and there's a quick audit. There's no warnings on the quick audit. All good check marks. Quick audit is done by Solid Proof, and full audit is done by Analytics Audit. So they got 2 audits there that you could review. Now this token's Telegram is at XDOGERC2. They also have a Twitter at XDOGERC20, and their webpage is x-doge.vip. It says embracing financial freedom through Elon Musk's X Factor. In the world of cryptocurrency where innovation and imagination converge, the X project stands out as a promising opportunity for crypto investors seeking to achieve financial freedom. And it has the XDOGE contract address. This one also has a buy and sell tax of 1%. It has a roadmap on here, but it's the same old meme cookie cutter roadmap where they go launch on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, a memetic power, token gated Discord group, newsletter, merch academy tools, central exchange listings, meme takeover. Very cookie cutter roadmap. So not much to either one of these tokens at all. They're very much both meme tokens on the Ethereum network. They both, you can review both of their securities if you like. But, you know, neither one of these tokens to me is like astonishing in any way. They're kind of both similar. Both kind of have a little bit of sketchy features in my opinion, so just be aware of that. I do consider both of them kind of sketchy. But I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about these tokens? Do you think this is a good investment, either one of these or not? Which one? Leave a comment down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, check out all the referral codes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.